everybody, how you doing? Happy Saturday to all my friends and fam on Jamaicans.com. Love you guys to pieces. Thank you always for watching. It's your girl Suzette Speaks, and I love to bring you some of the best women around the world to chat with, see what's going on with them. And today I have a very special guest. First of all, we in Miami Beach, Florida. Big up South Beach right now. We getting a tan even though we don't need it. We feeling beautiful. We feeling the melanin. We feeling blessed, and we want to just send positive vibes all over the world. Wherever you're watching, please drop a comment and tell us where you are. But right now we are close to, if you know, the North Shore Library, right off of 74th, but Broadmoor is right behind us. You see people head into the water. I don't know about no dip. You feel like a dip? Well, makeup done, so I don't know about a dip today. But just coming to enjoy the vibes and hang out with y'all and let you know what we have up our sleeves. So without further ado, I got this beautiful woman next to me. She is the founder of the Urban Woman Conference. That will be May 19th in Cincinnati, Ohio. So all of you who have people in Cincinnati, call them up, let them know they got to be with us on May 19th. We got a beautiful day planned, and I hope you will join us. But without further ado, please meet the founder as the pigeons fly. Yes, this is live. Miss Rekiya Overstreet. How are you? Girl, it's hot. We burning up for the love, but don't worry about it. We want you to get the information and want you to know about what she got going on. So tell us how you came up with the idea. First of all, how you doing?
Hi, I'm fine.
I know you're looking beautiful and very bright. It is almost summer, so we're feeling the vibe here in Miami Beach. But tell us what you got going on coming up May 19th.
Okay, we have the Urban Women Conference, and it's pretty much just a conference for urban women around the city to connect and good resources and good networking and positive energy.
So I love it because I'm a woman that love a conference and love to put together things. So that's why I think we got a very good connection. Please don't mind the overhead sound of planes flying, but yes, we are outside. But I want you to know, especially for you guys watching with friends and family in Cincinnati who want to possibly come, what are some of the topics that people will be discussing at the Urban Woman Conference?
We'll have topics such as women's health. We'll have child care and parenting discussions. We'll go from anywhere from budgeting and wellness and peace of mind, all different topics and workshops as well.
So external and internal,
yes,
for the ladies who want to get the inside right as well as get the resources in the city. So make sure you check it out, Eventbrite,
yes,
for tickets. So I always want to pose a question to you, so please do drop a comment and let us know what you're thinking. So I always like to look inside the internal mind of a woman, and I want you guys to help me to understand, why is it that as women we lose confidence in ourselves? A lot of times I have friends that got idea upon idea, dream upon dream, but 2 years later, 3 years later, 5 years later, nobody has capitalized on it. Nobody has moved forward with it. There's always kind of like this kind of stalling that's going around. What do you think that is, and what can we do to get over that hump?
I think that goes back into like the urban woman syndrome, where we all worry about everything besides ourselves. We're so busy with life and keeping up with the trends and worrying about everything else, but we tend to forget to refocus.
Absolutely.
And find time for ourselves so that we can go ahead and follow our dreams.
Okay, so we worried about the bill paying, taking care of the children, doing all the other stuff.
Yes.
And then wait a minute, what about me and what I have inside of me that I dream about? Well, it's true. I agree with you fully. Please leave your comments because I love to go back and read them. Also, I find that women nowadays, we spend a lot of time caring about what other people think about what we do, how we look, how we dress, what we got on our mind. You're almost afraid to share with anybody, a la social media, pictures or whatever, because everybody and grandma got something to say. How do we survive this hypercritical atmosphere, you think, when women are bombarded with opinion upon opinion about everything about themselves? How do we survive this and still be positive?
I think it goes back to refocusing. Yeah, we need to refocus, see what matters, see what makes us happy. Once we go with that and tend to be ourselves, then it's easier for us to go out there and not worry about how the world is perceiving us or how others are perceiving us. We need to worry about ourselves. Go focus and get back onto that.
Absolutely. So you can't really worry about other people. You gotta focus on self. And I definitely want to continue this conversation. Make sure you drop a comment, like, and share. Always want to bring you some of the best events, some of the best people. The Urban Woman Conference. I can't wait to be a part of it.
Yes.
May 16th, Cincinnati, Ohio. Get your tickets now on Eventbrite. Love you guys to pieces, and we'll see you soon here on Jamaicans.com. Take care.